How to log out of your Twitter on all your devices. In this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can log out on all your devices, your Twitter account. So let's go ahead and start right away. Go ahead and open your Twitter. When you open your Twitter, I want you to navigate to where it says to your profile section on top of the Twitter app. So when you click on your profile section, I want you to navigate to where it says settings and privacy. Go ahead and click that. When you click on settings and privacy, I want you to click on where it says security and account access. If you can't find it, you can just go ahead and search it here. As for me, I can see it here, so I will just click on that. When you click on security and account access, I want you to click on app and session. So you can see from security we have app and session. So click on app and session. It's going to take a moment to load. So when it's done loading, it might ask you for your password. Just log in, just type in your password. When it's done loading, just go ahead and click on session. When you click on session, as you can see guys, these are the apps or devices that are logged into my Twitter. So I can just go ahead and click on logout on all other sessions. Go click on that, click on logout. So as you can see guys, I've logged out on all other sections of my Twitter aside from my Twitter app. So you can go ahead. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. See you on the next one guys.